So good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. So we are going to discuss to you what is so we are going to discuss to you what is fish protein concentrate or the FPC. So the learning objectives in this lesson is to define what is fish protein concentrate, to identify the raw materials, equipment, and utensils in making fish protein concentrate, to elaborate its steps or methods in preparing fish protein concentrate, to identify the raw materials, equipment, and utensils in making different FPC products, and to elaborate its steps or methods in preparing different FPC products. So let's start. What is a fish protein concentrate? So fish protein concentrate or an FPC is similar to fish flour or fish powder where protein is concentrated that derived from very low cost fish or fish bone meal which are not saleable. So kaning fish protein concentrate is what is siya kanang from the word concentrate, iyang ikong kuhaon nito ang protein sa isda. So, ang gamiton nani is katong mga dili na nito mabaligya nga mga product like sa fish, like sa bones, mga ngana. Mo na siya, dito na siya gamitan. So, calcium is also concentrated in FPC if bones are included in the preparation. So, fish protein concentrate is not even per se, which is dili siya pwede makaon o dili siya pwede makaon kung kanang kuan na siya kanang FPC na siya, but it is used in the manufacture of pulveron, croquette, biscuits, arroz caldo, and many others. Pwede rin siya kanang mga dugang sa ingredients sa paggama o mga nana, mga pulveron, croquette, biscuits, and arroz caldo. So, ano siya ang raw materials na pwede siyang gamong FPC. The milkfish bone meal, the tuna bone meal, goldfish bone meal, sardines, heads, and trails, pwede na siya moon. Sigalig bone meal, whole or round noses fish. So, ang mga equipment and utensils na gamiton sa paghimo sa FPC is kana. The pressure cooker, pail, screen, mortar and pestle or electric grinder, basin, drying racks, strainer, ladle,
Remove your charger.
or bottle, strainer, cheese or muslin cloth, and aluminum trays. Ito na siya gamiton para bumuo ng FPC. So, what is siya ang procedure sa paggama sa FPC? So the steps in preparing FPC are as follows. First is washing. What is siya? Hugasan. Hugasan, washing. Washing. Hugasan nyo sa tubig siyang tubig tawag. Then, i-eviscerate. Paunin mo ang iyong mga organs. Dayon, i-pressure cook mo for 1 hour at 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 tons pressure PSIG. Then, in one pressure cook, waon mo, sifting. Then, sunod pressing, press. Kaya ano, then, pag-uman, drying, imong pangton, then grinding, imong igaling mo, then sunod mo, i-package, then store. So, first example sa FPC product is the milkfish bones pulveron. So, the milkfish bones pulveron is a kind of FPC because the bone meal is processed into fish flour or fish powder. The offal iyang equipments and utensils nga gamiton. Sabtan ba? Ilay kuan, gamiton sa fish pond. So, isa talaga po yung procedure sa paghimo sa mga fish bones pulburon. Dahil note is, in 2001, Calmarine published the study on the utilization and commercial. So, siya may nag-publish ang yung study sa mga fish bones pulburon. As offal of boneless bangos into pulburon. Hence, milkfish bones pulburon is very much acceptable, saleable, and profitable with high return of investment or ROI and nutritious. So the author was awarded as second prize winner of PCA MRD. This Aquatic Technology Enterprise Award on the foregoing research project given by the Philippine Council for Aquatic and Marine Research and Development of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Laguna on July 21, 2000. So, ikaduhang product sa FPC is ang fishbone meal croquette. So, the fishbone meal croquette is a kind of fish protein concentrate or the FPC because the fishbone meal is ground and made into powder form. So, kanang mga butong bitaw mo, din na siya, i-powderize din na siya para manginto siyang FPC. Not only protein, but also calcium is concentrated in fishbone meal powder. Hence, fishbone meal or FPC is more nutritious than fish flesh FPC. Kaya, nutritious mo sa FPC. Sa fish flesh, kaya na may protein gap. So, mga po na yung raw materials na gamiton sa paghimo sa croquette, milk, bangus, or goldfish, dayon, ang equipment niya ang utensils gagamiton. So, mga yung procedure niya sa paghimo sa fishbone meal croquette.
Another product sa FPC is fish biscuit with PCs. So fish biscuit with FPC is a kind of fish protein concentrate or FPC because the fish bone meal is made into powder or flour wherein both protein and calcium are concentrated. So fish biscuit kanang ikasa sa fish bone meal ihimo siya og powder or flour para mahimo siya o para bukas sa din sa paghimo sa fish biscuit. So mani ang mga raw materials and ingredients sa paghimo sa kanang fish biscuit with PVC. Mga kanya sa iyang equipment and utensils mga gyapon. milkfish, Chanus bone meal as opal of boneless milkfish and goldfish, Pinoides sulphureus, bone meal as opal of goldfish kapa ito biscuit. So, kani si in 2005, si Kalmo na may nag-conduct study sa pagkuhan sa kani fish biscuit. Ikan sa fishbone meal sa milkfish o sa goldfish. So hence, shrimp shell biscuit is like moderately or moderately acceptable, and milkfish and goldfish bone meal biscuits are both like very much or very much acceptable. So the next, this product is arroz con caldo with increasing. Una ang mga ingredients sa pag-ibo sa arroz con caldo with increasing. Mga ilakon na ano yung arroz con caldo, mura ka siya lugaw. Lugaw na nila. So, naray mga sabon. Naray dian nga ingredients para rice, black pepper, PC, soy sauce, potable water, aerosol, garlic, MSG, or ginseng, onion, and oil. Muna yung mga equipments and utensils para sa pag-imo sa kanang pagkundaldo. Dahil sa upan nga product, na kanina product is na gamiton nga gas, stove with tank, measuring cups and spoons, beater, ladle, frying pan, cutting board, turner, or knife. So, mga yung procedures. Steps in preparing arroz con caldo are as follows. So, boil the rice. Boil the rice till soft like porridge. So, the second is salting. Salt the garlic and onion. So, isahan mo ang garlic and onion. So, blending. Blend the porridge na with PC, black pepper, salt, sodium, glutamate or ginseng, and soy sauce with the sauteed onion and garlic. So, and the last is boiling. Boil again the mixture for 10 minutes and serve. So the last product na example is fish. Na mga yapon mga raw materials contain sa ingredients for niya. May rice ground, salt, water, black pepper, mix, or PC, na mga sodium glutamate or ginseng, and muna yung life solution. Ready to expose life to 1 cup water. So, magyapon ang equipment sa finish and utensils sa pag-ibo sa fish perfect. So, muna siyang procedure, gyapon niya. The steps in preparing for perfect fish are as follows. So, muna yung first step sa pag-ibo sa fish perfect. So, blending. Blend thoroughly the foregoing ingredients and only 5 tablespoons lime solution be added to make the perfect recipe. Then the next is placing the mixture. Place 3 tablespoons of the mixture on a thin plate. So do not place oil on the thin plate to avoid acidity of the product. The third is steaming. Steam for 2 minutes or until the mixture becomes translucent. So steam siya for 2 minutes. And the next is cutting. Cut into strips and remove carefully the strips. Then next is arranging. arrange the strips on plain bamboo trays. Then drying. Dry them under heat of the sun and cover with string to avoid contamination with flies. Then next is packaging. Packed in plastic bags ready for sale. And then frying. If not for sale, fry in deep hot pack ready to serve. So kung hindi mo ibalik yan, i-fry mo and ready to serve. Now, in 1996, Jamin conducted a study on the acceptability and economics of rice cooked with shrimp, crab, oyster, and fish protein with it as flavoring. The results showed that crab flavor cooked was most acceptable and least acceptable was oyster flavor. The most economical was oyster flavor and most expensive was crab flavor. So in 1996, si Jamin nag-conduct study sa acceptability and economics of rice cooked with shrimp, crab, oyster, and fish protein with it. Last product is protein mango with EPC. So mo iya ang materials and ingredients. Paghimo sa protein mango with EPC. Walang equipment at tinsel sa paghimo sa protein mango. Then sa procedures, mali ang steps in preparing protein mango with EPC are as follows. So cleaning. Clean the protein mango thoroughly. So, iluwanin mo ang protein mango kanang muna siya gawahan. Kanang mga tubo kagagmay bitaw kanang mga mulya kanang mga gagmay bitaw now steps sa pag-prepare una is ikasan mo then next is blending blends natin mong go with EPC, flours, salt, also yung kape and black pepper. So muna blendin mo si ang kaninga blending. And then, i-add siya ang water para ma-blend siya ang taman. Then, molding to desired shape and size. And last is fry and dip hot pot. So, in conclusion, fish protein concentrate or EPC is a valuable product that serves as a rich source of high-quality protein, helping to combat nutrition and protein deficiency. It also promotes the sustainable use of fish resources by utilizing underused species and fish byproducts, reducing waste in the fisheries. That's for all.
Ano na mga bus? Ano mga bus?
Pinapit.